Did you know?
Citrus oils can bring joy to your life.
I've got the joy essential oils.
Where?
Citrus oils.
Where?
Simply Earth oils. Today we're going to be sharing an essential oil roll-on recipe that you can use to help promote joy. To make this recipe, you will want to grab stickers, your recipe card from this month's box, and for this recipe, we are going to use the amazing combination of grapefruit and mandarin. This is a combo you're going to want to try in your diffuser as well because it smells so good.
And it's also kid safe.
So you can use this recipe with your kids if you'd like.
And from your big bonus box, you are going to grab your fractionated coconut oil and one of your roll-ons.
Let's get started.
So to get started, you're going to want to get the top of your roll-on off.
And if you have a funnel, that can make this process easier. And we're going to add 2 drops of grapefruit
and 1 drop of mandarin. And once you have your essential oils in there, to make sure that your essential oils are safe for your skin, we add our coconut oil.
You can replace this with almond oil or another carrier oil if you would like.
Put your lid on and
don't forget a label. So one thing to keep in mind when you're using this recipe is that grapefruit essential oil is phototoxic. It is very unlikely to be phototoxic in the amounts used in this recipe, but be cautious before applying this roll-on and heading to the beach or spending a lot of time in the sunlight.
To use, you can apply to your pulse points. That smells great.
I love this combination of oils. I like to apply it to pulse points, take a deep breath,
and let the joy roll.
To learn how to use essential oils to make recipes to support your wellness, go to simplyearth.com/box.
And don't forget to hit that subscribe now button so you can find recipes just like this and make the joy in your life come alive.
Thanks for watching. Promote joy.
Let's get started.